that's just through practice wherein nagbibigayan sila sa isa't isa. And then kung sino yung mainit, di yun ang bibigyan ng bola.
And now we open the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, Coach, ano lang yung tonight kasi, I mean, maganda yung numbers ni Robert, but I think it's obvious naman na dulo niya na ginawa. Can you just talk about yung naging contributions nung the others tonight, Kevin, Deshaun, and Tony in particular?
Maganda yung contribution ni Kevin. He was able to contribute points. Shawnee the same, di ba? So, of course, the import with si KD will always be there. Si Tony, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 players in double figures, which if that happens in a game, then you've got a great chance of winning. Importante yung ganong klaseng distribution ng scoring sa amin. Unless someone's really hot, diba?
Coach, about yung defense nyo, Richie had 40 last time. Was he a target of yours? Kasi parang hindi na siya, first half hindi maganda yung scoring production niya.
But hindi naman namin mahihinto si Richie. Magaling si Richie. He'll find ways to score. He scored still 20 points. He'll get his points. Yung malaking bagay sa amin today, though they scored 102, which is not our target, is malaking bagay yung hindi masyadong nakascore yung si Dicky. He only scored 13 points. So, yun yung malaking bagay because we know he can score easily 25 points in a given game.
Yung alis mo, lang yung nasabi dun sa nilaro mo and you had players na tumulong din sa'yo offensively.
Yun nga, ang ganda namin panoorin sa loob, ang ganda yung chemistry namin, ang ganda ng ikutan ng bola. Every quarter merong mainit sa amin eh. So nahirapan kami sa first quarter, si Shawnee yung bumanat kaagad. Tapos second quarter, import naman namin, si Tony mainit. Tapos sa fourth quarter, si Kevin pumasok, nag-init rin. So maganda pag ganun. Si Richie pumasok rin, 2 3 points. Si Bayo, ang ganda rin ng start ng fourth. So yun yung tinatawag nga ni Coach, team effort, maganda yung chemistry, maganda yung pasahan. Mas mahirap kami depensahan pag ganun eh. Tapos meron pa kaming import na parang kaway, parang tahimik lang na hindi mo ramdam, pero pala 9-10 na pala yung ginawa. Ang ganda ng depensa niya kay Dicky. So yun, credit talaga sa teammates ko. Ang napakadali mag-basketball pag yung mga kasama mo magagaling rin. So credit sa kanila and hopefully tuloy-tuloy yung momentum namin.
Okay?
Salamat po. Next call.
Thank you very much.